Hello to everyone, welcome back in the Pool showroom. My name is Matteo Venzi and today I'm going to show you our M series. M series is an industrial vacuum cleaner for medium heavy duty application. So this machine is equipped with a turbine starting from 4 kilowatt up to 7.5. Then we have a pressure relief valve, the pressure gauge, and a filter, a really big filter, starting from 2 square meter up to 3.5 square meter. The filter is also available in different kind of configuration for any kind of application. Here you can see the shaker in order to keep clean the filter and let the machine work without stopping. Here in the bottom we have the big tank, 100 liter capacity, with the quick release system. As you can see, the tank is stable and with a good handling system in order to move and discharge easily. The big 100 liter container is used for the standard wet and dry application. For sandblasting, it's possible to equip the machine with a small hopper in order to discharge on a grid. Moreover, for heavy duty fine dust application, it's possible to equip the machine with a system to discharge directly on a longo pack. Thank you very much for your attention. Follow us on our YouTube channel and see you for the next chapter.